Hi kids, how are you all? I'm doing good. I hope you too stay safe and healthy with your family members. Yes. Question number 7. In a recipe making, every 1.5 cup of rice requires 2-3 by cups of water. Express this in the ratio of rice to water. See what they are given here is the quantity of amount of water as well as rice required for recipe making. Now we have to find the rice to water level and we have to express them in ratio form. Okay, let's see the solution. For the recipe, rice required 1.5 cup. For making recipe, the rice is required the amount 1.5 cup. As like water is required 3 by 4 cups. See, it is in the form of mixed fraction. Now we are going to find the ratio form for given rice to water. Yes, rice divided by water. The level of rice is 1 by 2 and the level of water is 3 by 4. This is in the form of mixed fraction. Now I am going to change this mixed fraction into proper fraction. Yes, for that 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. Yes, 2 fours are 8, 8 plus 3, 11, 11 by 4. After changing like this equation becomes 3 by 2 into, see, this is in the form of division. The division it's changed into reciprocal while doing multiplication. Yes, first term becomes 3 by 2 as it is. This term becomes reciprocal. So 11 by 4 it becomes 4 by 11. After we got like this, we need to check whether we can able to cancel it or not. Yes, we can able to cancel it. This 1 time and this 2 time. Remaining what else is there? 3 into 2, 6 by 11. But this is our answer. 6 by 11 is our answer. They tell us to express this in the ratio form. Yes, you learnt ratio about in your previous class itself. So the formation of ratio, rice is to water. How we have to pronounce this? Is to. Rice is to water. This is the volume of rice. This is the water of volume of water. So I am express this in ratio form as 6 is to 11. Therefore, my answer is 6 is to 11. Got it? Question number 8. Ravi multiplied 25 by 8 and 16 by 15 to obtain 400 by 120. Yes, he says that the simplest form of this product is 10 by 3. And Chandru says the answer is in the simplest form is 3 1 by 3. Who is correct or they both correct? Explain. See, Ravi multiplied two numbers. After that he may got the result is 400 divided by 120. After that simplest form of the product is 10 by 3 somewhat obtained for Ravi. But Chandru says that simplest form after calculating the simplest form of this product is 3 1 by 3. Now we have to justify who is correct or else both the answer is correct. Okay. Let's see the solution. Product of 25 by 8 and 16 by 15. See, therefore the product indicates multiplication. This equation becomes 25 by 8 into 16 by 15. See, after write like this, we have to check whether we can able to divide it using same table. Yes, 1 time. This is 2 time. This is 3 time. And this is 5 time. See what else is remaining? 5 into 2 divided by 3. Yes, 5 2s are 10. Remaining 3. See, it is in the form of improper fraction. Now I am going to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. You all know very well how to convert this into improper fraction. Yes, our question is 10 by 3. 10 divided by 3. After dividing, remainder is 1. This is the form of writing mixed fraction. Quotient, remainder by dividend. Yes, our quotient is 3 remainder is 1 and the dividend is 3. After converting mixed fraction, we got the answer is 3 1 by 3. Yes, but answer obtained 400 divided by 120. See, this 0 get cancelled. What else is remaining? 40 divided by 12 is remaining. After this 40 and 12 becomes this in 4 tables 4 tables 3 times, 40 10 times. After simplifying this, we got 10 by 3. Yes, same like this. Here also we got 10 by 3. After changing this improper fraction into mixed fraction, same. We got 3 1 by 3. Yes, therefore the product is 400 divided by 120. It's a simplest form of improper fraction is 10 by 3. And while it is in mixed fraction, the answer is 3 1 by 3. Therefore, both the statements are correct. Therefore, both the person's statements are correct. Okay kids, this is what all I have for you in today's session. Here I have attached your homework part. Try to do on your own and take down all these problems neatly. Thank you kids.